succeed there as well. Nothing is impossible, but you know, all is hoping and praying. Also wanted to get some kind of feedback from you guys. I see that I did these projects and wanted to see if you guys could comment down below which one was your favorite. For me, I actually did like the apron one best, only because I saw a different design towards that same one that I did. I didn't end up purchasing it, but I thought, hey, I have all these things that I could do myself. I made it almost similar looking to the one that I wanted, but it isn't the exact same one. So I was so proud of that one, and I can't thank my friend Debs so much for helping me with all of these projects. We had been a whole day filming, and it was so unbelievable. But for now, I will be posting on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and you never know what you're gonna get on this channel, as I am a rogue. Please stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and I will be back on the next video.